teach you how to make a project today. It's not a project I've made before, so I'm kind of just going off how I think it should be done. So I have all these Christmas photo cards that people have sent me, and I just don't ever know what to do with them. I don't really want the Christmas greeting throughout the year, you know, hanging all over, it'd cover the fridge, first of all. So I decided to make one of those picture frames that have all the twines and clips, and you can just put pictures in and out as easily as you want, add things in without having to get a special frame for it, because you know that never happens. You never update your photo album walls, collages as often as you think you might. So I thought I would make an easy way to hang those types of photos. Nieces and nephews school photos, photos of the boys, just things you want to clip in and clip out more frequently. So I had this picture frame that was just a little dated. It was black and silver and just didn't really go with the lighter, brighter decor that I have going on. So I took it apart and I spray painted it white. So I've already done that and it already looks so much better. So I will set this frame to the side because we're not going to need this for a little bit. But I wanted to go ahead and get that step done and taken care of. You didn't even see me spray paint. It's pretty basic. So then I have the mat, and it's actually plexiglass that went inside of it. It's a little scuffed up through time, but that doesn't matter for what we're using it for. So I'm going to use the plexiglass portion. I also have some twine. I have two different types of twine. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. I have just little white clips, the little, oh gosh, they're super tiny. Just says mini wooden laundry clothespins. I got them off the Amazon. And then I bought this fabric from Hobby Lobby, and it's really just soft and cozy, but it's this nice kind of sage, but has some gray undertones to it. And I thought this would be really nice with the color scheme that I'm trying to go with. So I bought this fabric. I bought 2 yards of it, which is excessive, but I thought I could use it in some other places. I'm just not sure where yet, but I wanted to have it. I also have this multi-purpose spray adhesive. So I haven't used the Elmer's brand before. Prior to this, I had a 3M bottle. The store I went to didn't sell that brand, so I've never worked with this one, but it looks pretty similar. So what I'm going to do, I've already cut a piece of fabric to fit my plexiglass. Now I want it to overlap at all the corners because I want to be able to tuck it behind the frame and not have a rough looking edge. So when you cut your fabric, just make sure it's an inch or two overhang on each side. And I'm going to go ahead and get it laid out and ready to go because according to this bottle, if you want permanent bond, which is what I want, that you want to join the surfaces within the 15 seconds that you spray it. Seems very quick, so I just want to be ready to go. I want to get it all laid out nice and flat. So we are just going to shake the can. And then let's see, I cut some cardboard down to protect my table. I do plan on resurfacing this table this year, maybe March. I'll do this table, but I still just don't want excess glue on it in the meantime. Okay, let's see how this works. It says how far away to spray. 6 to 8 inches, sure. I'm just gonna give it a nice even coat. This should be good. Hopefully my shirt doesn't stick to it. Oh gosh, this makes me nervous that it's not going to lay down flat. Okay, I've got to pull it tight. I think I'm stuck to the cardboard actually that I just used to cover it up. Okay, this is actually letting me still work with it a bit. Oh, come on. should be good. Now I have a lot more excess off this side because I actually got it very tight to this corner. So I'm gonna just cut off some of this excess. I just really want like ½ inch to 1 inch overhang just to tuck behind. Okay, I'm gonna pick this up because it's a little sticky. Now I want to, let's see, this edge didn't get stuck down very well, so let me just spray a bit more back here. There we go. That's nice. Okay. So I don't want this to stick, so I'm gonna just kind of move it out of the way a bit. Now my choice is I have this thinner string, twine, but I don't know if that's gonna give it the look I want. I kind of like this thicker one that I have going on. So I have turned on my hot glue gun, and I think I'm just going to kind of wrap this around, crisscross applesauce. Thinking I should go ahead and tie one spot, maybe. I wish I had an extra set of fingers. I'm going to go ahead and put a dot of super glue just to kind of, or hot glue just to kind of hold this here. And then when I wrap it, I'm going to try and make sure that fabric stays nice and tight behind. And I'm going to go just kind of haphazardly, at a haphazard angle, I don't know. I'm going to just kind of cross it here and there. Okay, so let's see if I can tie this off a bit. So I'm gonna pull this fabric and just kind of try and glue a little bit of it just to keep it down. I should have done this actually before the twine. So if you're going to make this, just do that first because it'll help hold it when you're wrapping the twine. I just didn't think about it. Like I said, I'm not following any instructions on this. I'm just kind of doing it as I do it. Pretty much my life and how I do projects. Okay, now I'm just gonna put a couple drops of glue on the under the twine just to hold it from sliding. I don't think it will, but you never know, over time, like weight of pictures might pull it down a bit. And I kind of want to keep this crisscross type pattern. So I'm just going to put a couple spots of glue. I think I want to add one more. I was thinking maybe another here, but I actually kind of like it the way it is. So that was pretty easy. Now I'm going to put it in the frame. Hopefully Hopefully it fits with all that stuff I added onto it, but it really should. Yeah. Just have to get it under those little metal tabs that you push back. Once you have it laying in there nice and flat, I'm gonna go ahead and put this mat that I have back here, a little extra rigidity, but also if down the road I ever want to switch it or use that mat for something else, I have it still instead of just throwing it away. You never know, I repurpose things all the time. Okay, so there it is. Let me put some clips on it just for extra effect. And I did choose the white clips because I have the white frame. I thought it would be really nice. So I'm getting ready to do a gallery wall, which is just going to be some photos, some different decor. I made a couple signs for it. And then I wanted something like this that I can just add to. But the colors I am going to be using, I want to kind of tie everything in, is going to be the sage greens and the whites and the creams and the grays and just the tans. So I'm really trying to like tie those colors in. So by using the fabric and the sage, I have the tan of the twine, and then I have you know, the white of the frame. I will be able to tie it all together with one of these. So anyway, this is a very easy project. I think this probably took me 15 to 20 minutes to make. Obviously, I spray painted it ahead of time, so add a couple more minutes in for that. But it was everything. I already had the clips, I already had the twine, I had the frame, and I had the spray paint. All I had to go buy was the fabric, which you can always find on sale. Hobby Lobby, Joann's, they always have great deals on their fabric. So yeah, Hobby Lobby was where I got this fabric. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to lay out my gallery wall, and I'll show you guys how to do that in another video. But otherwise, this was a quick, easy project. It's super cute and a great way to use those Christmas photos, cards that you get. Anyway, that is all I have for you today. Get back with me soon because I am going to show you how to lay out your gallery wall and the most effective way to do that. So talk to you guys soon. Thanks for joining.